All right, check this one out, everybody. This here, it's the Jeep Gladiator. All right, right now we have the top up or down, whatever you want to call it. And again, this entire roof will come off. So this is the second video we're doing. Again, showing you guys some of the additional features. You know, again, the Jeep Gladiator right here. Obviously, sky right there. Tinted windows. Speakers above. Obviously this, like I said, comes off. This actually can come off as well. It is cold outside right now, so we're leaving it on, this one right here. And this, of course, will unroll right here in the back. And then you also do have your rhino-lined rear truck bed. So again, in excellent shape. This whole vehicle, entire Jeep, is in awesome shape. Check it out. Lots of tread. These tires are basically brand new. With just under 14,000 miles on this Jeep. Check it out. Open the doors and out comes your steps. Power Step XL. Check it out. Lots of money invested in this vehicle right here. This one is a showstopper for sure. Couple other features I want to show you guys. This one right here, it's got the lights. So lights under here. You got lights in the rear, in the back. Again, tailgate in the rear as well, along with your 2-inch receiver. Super clean, no rust. Check it out. Train horn as well in the back. Super loud. Another cool installed feature. The only thing you could possibly add would be leather interior. Other than that, there's nothing more to do to this Jeep. We can customize that as well, so if you needed to add it, we can do so. Like I said, check this out. Crazy grill on the front here. You can finance it as well. Excellent paint. There's no dings or dents. All around excellent. There you go. Call right now, toll free, 866-606-3991 or 708-253-7082. Once again, LED lights in the front. Call us right now. Once again, 708-253-7082. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.